Well, hello guys. Welcome back. Welcome back. Um, I am here with another mom box. Maybe I should have opened this before, like did the cutting, but I didn't. So here we are. I love these stamps. I wish they wouldn't run marker through them because I would save those. They're cool. Cool, cool. So I don't know what's in here. I do know that um, some of the items in here are going to be Mom's new snippet rolls that she made. So I'm excited to get those listed. Hopefully, I can get that done today. Um, I've seen pictures, but I've not seen them in person yet. Here we go. Always an adventure to open a mom box. That's just packing. Oh, we have white banners. We haven't had white banners for a while. Oh, how pretty are these? Isn't that gorgeous? I will get the ephemera going in these and try to get them photographed and listed for you as soon as possible. These are so pretty. So pretty. All right, there's one. My desk is so full, you guys. My whole art room is a huge mess at the moment. I mean, I know I always say that, but it's always true. Oh my goodness. Okay. I just have a lot of irons in the fire right now, so. Oh, I like that little pop of green in there. That's cool. These are beautiful. I mean, the whole thing is beautiful, but it's just fun to see the little, you know, extras. Gorgeous. Got, what do we got here? Fabric scraps. Those are yummy. Some of that'll go in the rust dye. I know I need to get more rust fabric dyed and put on my Etsy shop as well. I promise I'm not slack-a-lacking over here. I'm busy, but a lot of things that need to be refilled, I know. These are so cool, Mom. Ooh, sorry, I'm moving you. Telling you, the space I'm working in today is minimal. These are just, I just love these. This is like old hanky, or I don't know. The detail is just beautiful. Looks like we got one more here. I'm so excited to get these listed. It won't be today because um, I just have a boatload of other things on the agenda, but I may get the snippet rolls listed today. These are so pretty. Running out of room. Okay. More fabric. I love this super thin stuff. I use it all the time. Okay, she told me about these, that she had some of this to send. So that's fun. All these vintage trims, yes. And more. Holy cannoli. I will I just sold a lot of these, so I will go through and pick out what I will use, and then the rest of it, which is not, I don't use a ton of it, but the rest of it I'll try and get up on Etsy so you guys have a shot at it. If and you like that sort of thing. Ooh, more rusty bits. I love these circles. They make the best marks, in my opinion. I got a thing for circles. All right. So, snippet rolls. She got some vintage quilt scraps that were like from the 70s, and she made these snippet rolls. Each one is 6 feet long, and she put buttons ever so often. But these would just be so fun for your junk journal to make belly bands if you wanted to do slow stitching, if you wanted to use it as a wrap around your journal, if you wanted to use it for page trim, maybe you want to use it for tabs, or I don't know. There's endless uses for snippet rolls. You guys know that. But these are each going to be one of a kind. And yeah, we're excited about that. And then she also did some that are white. How cool is that? Also 6 feet long. I mean, that's 6 feet is a lot of snippet roll. So yeah, gorgeous. So I'm not going to unroll that whole thing, but I will try and get these listed soon-ish. Do we only have one white one, Mom? Or are there more somewhere? I don't know. I'll figure it out. I will figure it out. I'll work on that later today. Oh yeah, she asked me if I wanted, so all of this is going to go in the rust die. So I'm pretty excited about that. And then we got tea tags. We got old wooden spool, a little washer for the rust die, post office receipt. What's this? That's funny. Do not allow clothing to touch moth pad. Pleasant deodorant freshens clothes closets. Interesting. Okay. It's cool. Wow, that's a lot of tea tags. Thank you, Pam. This is also tea tags, I'm sure of it. Thank you, Pam. We love tea tags, especially the ones with the quotes on them, right? Yeah, look at all those. If I have caused just one person to wipe away a tear of laughter, that's my reward. Wow, that's good. I like that. And what's in here? Looks like postcards. Cute. Greenbush, Wisconsin. Manitowoc County Hospital. 1957. I sold my home and moved to the north side in 3 heated rooms. My address is 819 York Street, Manitowoc, Wisconsin. A happy birthday, Clara. Oh, that's sweet. Greetings from Two Rivers, Wisconsin. Wow. Colorado, Eisenhower Memorial Tunnel. That's funny. Looks like just an envelope, and then this is cool. This is like those packets. New York City souvenir folder. Very cool. All right. And then this one is California Bridges, 1951. Well, thank you, Mom, and thank you, everybody, for watching. until next time, thanks for being here.